Hello everyone, today we will discuss about difference between culpable homicide and murder. So firstly we will understand what is homicide. Homicide means killing of a human being by human being. Homicide is either lawful or unlawful. Lawful homicide includes those cases which are covered under general exceptions, and unlawful homicide includes culpable homicide not amounting to murder, rash and negligent homicide, attempt to commit suicide, etc. Now we will discuss about culpable homicide not amount to murder. It is an act which has resulted in a person's death but not held to amount to murder. For example, when a person A was killed by B, so the question arises whether it is a murder or culpable homicide. Difference between culpable homicide and murder is gravity of the act or intensity of the act. In culpable homicide, there is very little but still chances available that even if the act was sufficient to cause that, but there is possibility that the person could have survived after the attack also. Example, blow the baseball bat on the head of a person is enough to kill a person, but still there is a little possibilities that it only injured a person to high extent but person still survive. So the another difference is culpable homicide is a genus and murder is a species. The murders are culpable homicide, but all the culpable homicides are not murder. So now we will discuss about murder. In murder, there is no such possibilities of a person to survive. For example, shooting a person by putting a gun on his head. No chance of survive. In simple word, the difference is seriousness of the act. If the act is so dangerous, so it leaves no scope of survival of a person. It is murder. Murder's punishment more harsh than culpable homicide. I can also conclude by saying whether the act occurred come under culpable homicide or murder depend upon the discretion of the court. As in many cases, it has been observed that different court gives different opinion for the same act. Now we will discuss about the sections of these two. Culpable homicide is under section 299 of IPC and murder under section 300 of IPC. There is 3 steps to discover the act of a person. It includes murder or culpable homicide. So firstly we will discuss about section 299, means culpable homicide. A person commit culpable homicide if the act by which the death is caused is done. First step is with the intention of cause death. इन 299 हम लोग देखते हैं पहले कि उसकी इंटेंशन थी उसे मारने की या नहीं थी. सेकेंडली में हम चेक करते हैं जो उसकी इंटेंशन थी या उसने जो इंजरी दी है वो लाइकली टू कॉज डेथ है या नहीं है. एंड थर्डली विद द नॉलेज दैट द एक्ट इज लाइकली टू कॉज डेथ. सो नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द 300 मीन्स मर्डर. Subject to certain exceptions, culpable homicide is murder if the act by which the death is caused is done. So इसमें भी हम 3 steps के अकॉर्डिंग ही चेक करेंगे. फर्स्टली में आपका आता है विद द इंटेंशन ऑफ कॉजिंग डेथ, कि उसकी इंटेंशन थी उस पर्सन को मारने के लिए और वो मर गया तो वो मर्डर कहलाएगा. देन द सेकेंडली कि उसने उसको इंजरी ही ऐसे दी थी कि जिससे वो मर जाता, कि उसका मतलब इंटेंशन तो थी ही कि मारना है, लेकिन उसने उसको इंजरी भी ऐसी दी थी लाइकली टू कॉज डेथ, तो उसके ऊपर मर्डर का चार्ज लगेगा. देन द थर्ड इज विद द इंटेंशन ऑफ कॉजिंग बॉडीली इंजरी टू अ पर्सन एंड द बॉडीली इंजरी इंटेंटेड टू कॉज इन्फ्लिक्टेड इज सफिशिएंट टू ऑर्डिनरी कॉज ऑफ नेचर टू कॉज डेथ. इसके थर्डली में आता है कि उसने इंटेंशन के साथ ही वो बॉडी इंजरी दी थी क्योंकि उसे पता था कि इससे क्या है, ऑर्डिनरी केसेस में मर ही जाते हैं, मतलब जर्नल केसेस में वो मर ही जाते हैं. जैसे कि बहुत कॉमन चीज़ें जो लोग यूज़ करते हैं उनको पता होता है इस केस में लोग मर ही जाते हैं, तो उस चीज़ के लिए भी वो अमाउंट टू मर्डर ही काउंट होगा. देन द फोर्थ स्टेप ऑफ दिस मर्डर with the knowledge अगर उसे पता था, उसे नॉलेज थी कि वो उसने जो इंजरी दिया उससे वो मर जाएगा, तो भी अमाउंट टू मर्डर ही काउंट होगा. With the knowledge of that act is so imminent dangerous that it must all possibilities to cause death or such bodily injury as likely to cause death. So thank you so much